So, good day everyone. I'm James Mac again. So, for today's video, I'm going to find the limit x approaches to 0, x squared cosine 1 all over x using the squeeze theorem or the sandwich theorem. So, first, we know that the cosine function is always bounded between negative 1 and 1. So, dahil doon, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 1 is less than or equal to cosine 1 all over x is less than or equal to 1. So, this is the one. After that, we need to multiply by x squared dito. Multiply by x squared. Because, bakit ba siya kailangang i-multiply? Because, since the x squared is always non-negative, no? Kahit pa negative 1 times negative 1, magiging answer dyan is positive 1. Kahit na negative 1 squared, negative 2 squared, 1 squared, 2 squared, and so on. Ang always niya magiging sagot is non-negative as x is approaches to 0. So, we can multiply the inequality without changing the direction of the inequality signs. So, dito is magkakaroon tayo dito ng x squared multiply by negative 1 less than or equal cosine 1 all over x less than or equal to 1. Multiply natin siya ulit kay x squared. So, after nyan, magiging answer niya na is ganito. So, negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared. Less than or equal kay less than or equal kay x squared and cosine 1 all over x and less than or equal x squared. After nyan, we consider that the limits as x approaches to 0. So, it means, etong negative x is approaches to 0. So, 0 times 0 is 0. 0 is equal, less than or equal by x squared and cosine 1 all over x is less than or equal. Ito yung magiging 0, x squared 0 times 0 is 0. So, after nyan is using the squeeze theorem, since the both lower and upper bounds natin is inequality of the inequality approaches to 0, as x is approaches to 0 by the squeeze theorem. So, ibig sabihin, the limit of x squared cosine 1 all over x must always be 0. Kasi nga 0 is less than or equal to dito, then less than naman or equal tong cosine natin kay 0. So, it means, itong gitna na to, 0 din siya. So, yun, magkaka-equal siya. So, ibig sabihin, ang answer natin dito is limit x approaches to 0, x squared cosine 1 all over x is also equal to 0. So, that's our final answer for that using this squeeze theorem. Thank you.